Happy New Year. It's your girl DeAndra and I'm back with another video. So I do want to apologize. I went a little MIA for the past 2 weeks, but as a business owner, I like to take the last 2 weeks off completely. And just because I just started my YouTube channel, I didn't have any backup videos, so whatever. But I'm back and we are back in action. So in today's video, we're going to be going over how to create a vision board. And I feel like vision boards are a great thing to do at the beginning of the year. So you can kind of set your goals and what you want to achieve by the end of the year. And so there's a few ways to go about it. So we're going to check it out in this video. Stay tuned. Creating a vision board is one of the best ways to achieve your goals. When you can visually see what you want to achieve, where you see yourself in a year, 5 years, 10 years, whatever the case may be, a vision board really helps you with that. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to create a vision board, a digital vision board at that. I feel like I'm so techie. I love everything on my computer and I am crafty. I'm very crafty, but I just don't have time to be pulling out the big foam board and cutting out pictures from the magazine. Like I just don't have time for all of that. Even though I would love to sit down and do that, it's just not for me. So I'm the type who creates everything online. So I created my vision board on Canva, which I'm going to show a quick tutorial on how to do it. If you have a Canva Pro subscription, I believe you still have access to some of the templates with the free version, but with the Pro version, you do have more photos to choose from, more templates to choose from, all of the above. So this is not a sponsored video. I'm just letting you know this is how I created it. So first I want to talk about why vision boards are so important. Vision boards are a visual representation of where you want to go in your life and what goals you want to achieve. And when you can see them on a regular basis, you have something to look forward to, and you can look at that board and be like, hey, this is where I see myself. This is my dream car, my dream home, my dream relationship, kids, whatever the case may be. And if you can visually see that board every day, while it could be on your phone, your computer, desktop, in board form, if you want to pull out the foam board and make it that way and, you know, place it in your room, just have it somewhere where it's visual so you can see it. And so when you do that, you are more likely to achieve your goal. So again, you can create your vision board on Canva, which I'll show you today, or you can do on foam core and, you know, bust out the glue and the scissors and all of that and make a nice clean board. You can even do it where you have a Pinterest board and you can put all of your trips you want to go on, you know, goals, quotes, all of that good stuff all on a Pinterest board, and that can be your vision board. I feel like people put too much thought into it and you put your focus on, oh, I gotta go get all of this stuff to do a vision board, when you really don't. You can make it very easy. And creating it digitally is actually something that's gonna save you so much time, and you're actually gonna achieve the goal and do that first goal. A lot of people say they wanna make vision boards, but they don't end up making them, and then you're wondering why you're not accomplishing your goals. And it's not to say that a vision board miraculously helps you achieve your goals, but it does help when you can visually see yourself, because you're kind of like co-creating and manifesting your life. When you see it, you believe it, you feel those emotions, all of that, it starts to manifest into something great. I promise you, I promise you. I do want to kind of go over how vision boards work. I believe in manifestation and I believe in God as well. So I don't want to get those misconstrued, because I do hear different points of views of manifestation is some type of witchcraft. Like, it's really not. I feel like for me, and this is my belief, you don't have to agree, but we are co-creators with God, and He puts things on our heart of what we want to achieve. If you have a burning sensation to start a business, if you have a burning sensation to become an artist, whatever the case may be. He's putting those goals on your heart for a reason. And if you don't act on them, that's your choice, and that's totally fine. So I feel like when you take the ideas out of your head and, you know, write them down, put them on paper, or create a vision board, it's just bringing it to life for you so you can actually see it. We are humans, we're visual people. When we see things in front of us, it makes us want it even more. So I feel like I've manifested so many things in my life from vision boards, and they've helped me throughout the years. I remember precisely making a vision board when I was, I want to say 24, and I was just starting my journey as a event planner. And I kind of wrote out how I wanted my life. I wanted to make 6 figures. I wanted to have a thriving company. I wanted to be in a relationship. I had so many goals on that vision board, and I have to say I'm living in that right now. I have a 6-figure business. I am doing what I love. I love creating, I love designing. I just got into a relationship that I love, and I'm super happy, and it feels really good, you know. And there's so many other things on the board, but when I put those goals and dreams out there, you know, to see them and living in it, it's like the best feeling. So that's why every year I create a vision board and just visualize my life. And with that being said, you have to also appreciate where you are right now. You have to appreciate the now, because if you don't, you're kind of living from a place of lack and you're not grateful for what you already have. Just because you don't have your dream apartment, your dream relationship, your dream body, whatever the case may be, doesn't mean that you are not moving towards your goals. You'll get there eventually, but you have to put that positive energy out there. Vision boards help with that. And you give yourself affirmations on your board, whatever the case may be, to help you get to that next level so you can be the better you every year. And if you don't accomplish one of your goals in the year you set, so let's say if you make a vision board for 2023 and you wanted to buy a house or something and it doesn't happen, that doesn't mean it won't happen the next year or the year after that. You have to be patient and wait for things to come in its time. You can't rush it. You got to just let things happen. And that's why when I made my vision board years ago, it took years for me to get where I am now, but I enjoyed the journey and, you know, really took it all in so that when I'm here where I'm at now, I'm appreciative for where I'm at. You want to appreciate every moment and every step of the way. So I'm going to give you a few quick tips before we jump in to designing our vision board. Tip number 1, start identifying the goals you want to achieve. I would recommend writing them down first and just, you know, write out what goals you want to achieve for the year, or if you're making a 5-year board, whatever the case may be, write down your goals and go from there. Tip number 2 is to be specific. Be specific. If there's a certain car you want, be specific. If you want that G-Wagon, get a photo of a G-Wagon. If there's a certain class you want, make sure you be specific on what you want. And with that being said too, just because you're specific doesn't mean that you're gonna get exactly that thing, but you might get something close or better. So, but be specific of what type of car you want. Be specific with the type of relationship you want. All of those good things, because you're creating with gratitude and they're gonna manifest. So tip number 3 is now to gather all of the images of what you just wrote down. You need to find images with money, friendship, relationship, marriage, whatever the case may be. There's so many images online. A couple of sites that I use that have free like stock photos. 2 sites that I would highly recommend are Unsplash and Pexels. They're both my favorite. They have great imagery for you to add to your board. You can print them out if you want to do, like I said, the foam boards, or you can just save them to your computer if you want to use them on Canva. Canva Pro also has a lot of images. If you just type in like money or home, properties, whatever the case may be, they have a lot of images that you can use on there as well to amp up your board. So make sure you gather up all of your images. These are just some pointers to get you there. All right, guys, so we moved over into my office and we are going to create our vision board here in Canva. And I do want to show you guys something. So this is my neon sign. It says enjoy the process. I feel like that's what you have to do when it comes to achieving your goals. So let's hop into this vision board. Okay guys, so now we're gonna hop into this tutorial. I'll be really quick. So this is Canva, and they have so many templates that you can choose from for your vision board. So there's no excuse why you're not making one. So today, let's just go and do, maybe this one it's super cute, clean to the point. And I'm gonna make a more business-based vision board. So this image is cute for travel. I do want to travel for business. So let me just type in like travel for business and resize it. Perfect. Okay. So what else do I want to do? I want to start a community. So let's go to photos here and community. I want to start a community for creatives. So I will put this photo in there and just type in community. Okay, and then, so I have a couple of things written down. I want to do a in-person balloon class, which I have photos here. So I could just put like this image of me here. And this was a great moment. I was doing a design for this brand, and I was happy in that moment. So it's a great thing to add to my vision board. So I'll just put like in-person classes. Make that a little smaller. Perfect. I want to start a podcast. So let's see what images we got here. This is pretty cute. Let me put it up here. Cute. A podcast. And what else do I want to do? Oh, I want to get 50K subs on YouTube. So I'll just type in like YouTube and see. They have, it's a good image. This one's cute too. Perfect. So I'll put like 50K subs, YouTube. I'm like such a stickler sometimes. There we go. Let me size that. Perfect. And another goal is to, oh yeah, I'm gonna be launching my coaching business. So let's do coaching. So let's use this one. Let me just see if I can move. What I could do is just move this here. And then we'll just put coaching. And voila, this is my business vision board. And like I said, you can do whatever you want with your vision board. You can make a life vision board. You can make a yearly vision board. You can make quarterly vision board, whatever the case may be. But these are my goals for 2023. And I can even put 2023 here. So vision board 2023. Boom, for my business. Super easy. And then what I would recommend is you download your image. Okay, so once the image is downloaded, you can save it to your desktop. So, and voila, there's my vision board. And it's right in clear view. I can see everything and we're good to go. So I hope that this quick tutorial has helped you out, and thank you for watching. Okay, so now that we created our vision board on Canva, it's time to put those goals into action. You have to get out there and start crushing those goals and dreams. So what I would highly recommend is the goals that you do have, now that you have them on your vision board, break them down into steps. Each goal, break it down. If you want to start a business, and I always say business because I'm an advocate for starting a business, write down the steps to starting your business. Whatever the goals you may have, break them down into steps so that they are mini peaks and not huge mountains that you have to get over. So don't, again, if we go back to, if you want to lose weight, don't just say, I want to lose weight, right? I want to lose 10 pounds by April 2023, blah, blah, blah. Then that's your main goal because you are specific with your goal. Now break it down. I'm going to work out 3 to 4 times a week. I'm going to eat clean meals, 1 cheat meal on Saturday, whatever the case may be, and break them down so that they are achievable. And you can achieve every goal until you actually get to the goal that you would like. So I hope this video has helped you out, and go out there, make your vision board, and let's smash these goals in 2023. We all deserve it. This year should be our show up and show out year. So kill it out there. And if you're using this video to help make your vision board, leave a comment below. I want to know what y'all are putting on them vision boards. What are your goals? Write them in the comments. I want to know, and I really want to have conversations with you guys. So let's get to it. All right, guys. I will see you guys next week with another video. Peace.